The TurfPickup TP600, the ultimate compact solution to loosen hardened turf efficiently and to work out infill effectively. The adjustable working depth, controlled via spindles, ensures precise operation tailored to your needs. With a working width of 600 millimeters, its rotating tine shaft is meticulously loosening compacted sand and rubber granulate infill. Perfect for small facilities like tennis courts, paddle courts, futsal courts, or for repairing specific areas in larger fields. The TP600 is both versatile and powerful. Weighing just 75 kilograms and featuring a fold-away handle, the TP600 is easy to transport and maneuver, making turf decompacting a hassle-free task.